Today we're taking simple ingredients to make the most luxurious white truffle potatoes you've ever tasted. We start with 2 pounds of russet potatoes. Then we'll just add those to a pot of salted water and bring that up to a nice rapid boil. You'll know the potatoes are done when you can run a fork right through them. Should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Quickly drain your potatoes and get them back into a hot pot to steam off any excess moisture. Add half a teaspoon of truffle oil before adding half a stick of butter. Add half a cup of heavy cream. Make sure to season well with salt and pepper. I know many like sour cream, but in this case, I'm going to use a dollop of Greek yogurt. You're going to use your immersion blender or emulsifier to make sure those potatoes are nice and silky smooth. Now I like to transfer the mashed potatoes into a piping bag to create that restaurant-style potato tower. This is all about presentation. Now, to give it that gourmet look, we're lightly torching the edges for a slightly crispy and brown contrast. Drizzle melted butter over the tower, letting it pool around the plate. And finally, the star, just a couple drops of white truffle oil. Serve this with my chicken piccata recipe linked right here. Like and subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes. See you on the next one.